Welcome to our 2016 Winnebago Itasca Ellipse, the premium diesel coach that was built for travelers who want power, comfort, and a residential-style experience on the road. We have been the sole owners of this coach since it was purchased new. With under 55,000 kilometers, this is a low-use vehicle which has been fully cared for. And when not in use, this coach was warm stored in its garage, and it's truly in showroom condition. All maintenance documentation is available, including inspections. The vehicle is entered through the widest keyless entry in its class. Up front, the cab is built for comfort. Villa luxury cab seats include 6-way power adjustment, footrests, heat, massage, power lumbar, and power recline. The smart wheel includes tilt, telescopic, and cruise control. The driver is supported by powered heated mirrors, Mobileye collision avoidance, and a color rear view and side view camera system.
Inside, the coach has a spacious, upscale feel with features that make it comfortable for longer stays. The living area includes an electric fireplace, large 50-inch HD TV, a Blu-ray home theater system, soundbar, subwoofer, Bose center channel, upgraded sound system, LED ceiling lights, accent lighting, tinted dual-glazed thermo-insulated windows, and a powered skylight. There are also several custom interior upgrades that help set this coach apart, including quartz shelving, custom glass art inserts above the TV, maple baseboards, maple door trims, upgraded crown molding details, and hardware throughout. The kitchen is designed for living. It includes Corian countertops, decorative backsplash, sink covers, a stainless steel residential microwave convection oven, a 2-burner induction cooktop, and stainless steel double-door refrigerator and freezer with water and ice dispenser. Mid-coach, a half bath provides added convenience for guests. It includes upgraded cabinetry, a mirrored storage with in-cabinet electrical outlets and a locking compartment, an upgraded corner vanity and mirror, a soap dispenser, and a custom solid wood door. The master bedroom provides a private, comfortable retreat. It features a powered king bed with an ideal Rest Natural Reserve digital comfort control mattress, a ceiling fan, full-length mirror, mirrored upper cabinet doors, and a solid wood sliding door and wainscot wood wall trim. A standout feature of this coach is the professionally upgraded ensuite bath for a true residential feel. It includes a large custom shower with cultured granite shower walls, tile inserts, acrylic shower base, thermostatic valve, hand shower, folding bench, corner shelf grab bar, upgraded lighting, and a 10mm glass shower door and panels with a towel bar. The rear bath also includes a Corian countertop, Grohe sink faucet, soap dispenser, custom Swiss mirrored cabinetry, a custom linen cabinet, porcelain toilet, skylight, and an added electrical outlet.
The exterior of this Ellipse includes a premium full-body finish, an exterior entertainment center with 42-inch HD TV, a power patio awning with wind sensors and LED lighting, power entrance awning, automatic entrance steps, a Key 1 key system, auxiliary docking lamps, service bay lights, rear mud flaps, and plenty of accessible storage. The ride and handling are supported by independent front air suspension, New Way rear air suspension, air brakes with ABS, an exhaust brake, and HWH automatic hydraulic leveling jacks. So whether you're driving, parking, or setting up at a campsite, the coach is designed to make the experience more controlled and convenient. A 60-degree wheel cut and independent front suspension, which allows for a remarkably tight turning radius for a 42-foot Class A coach. Equipped with a 15,000-pound trailer hitch and a pull-out tailgate package, this Ellipse is well suited for towing a vehicle. For comfort and utilities, the coach is well equipped with 3 roof AC units with heat pumps and an AquaHot 450 hydronic heating system with triple zone thermostat, a 10,000-watt Cummins Onan quiet diesel generator with a powered slide-out and an automatic start provides all the power you will need, along with a 50-amp service. A 100-watt solar panel battery charger with a 2,800-watt inverter is also included. Hot water system is diesel heated, which is very convenient as no propane is ever required. For navigation and entertainment, it includes a Rand McNally RV GPS with a 10.4-inch touchscreen, along with Bluetooth, Sirius XM compatibility, and AM, FM, CD, DVD functionality. And an outdoor kitchen with induction burner, fridge freezer, and water outlet add to the many conveniences the Ellipse provides. The satellite system is a Winegard Shaw Traveler with Wave Wi-Fi. We have found this Itasca Ellipse exceptionally designed, well built, and a true luxury home away from home.